Hello, welcome to NK channel. Today I will be making African food. I will be using all these things to make the African food. This one is pigeon peas. This one is cornmeal. The pigeon peas, some people call it abobo or fio. So this one is yellow pepper. This one is okpaka. Some people call it uba. This one is kale. This one is green beans. This one is red oil. This one is onions. This one is maggi. All these things I'm gonna use to make this food. Today I'm just gonna be using bigger pots because I'm gonna make a lot of food and a lot of vegetables so that it will contain on this pot. So right now I'm just gonna wash these pigeon beans in a cold water just to take off maybe sometimes you might have sand, so just to wash it to make sure that the pigeon peas is clean. Then I will put it in my pot and put water, then turn on my stove and start to cook. Keep watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to NK channel, share and like, and comment. You will love the food. Now I have already washed the pigeon peas, so I'm now gonna turn on my stove. I put water already, so I'm just gonna pour it inside and start cooking. Keep watching, you're gonna love this food. Right now I'm gonna mix this corn in a bowl with water. Just gonna touch it or turn it to know the texture. If all of them have already mixed together, like kind of not too soft but not too dry, because this thing is a dry corn, then you put it in your pot. But before I will put it, I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna put it, because you have to have a little bit of water in your pot, because if the water get on it, it's not gonna be good. So just keep watching. I will show you guys how I'm gonna put it in my pot now. I'm just gonna put foil so that the water will not gonna go inside the corn, and that I will be keep watching the pot so that the pot will not gonna even burn too. So I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of water till the food is done. The food is stressful, but it's good. It's good and healthy. So for my green beans that I have over there, I'm not gonna cook it in the water. I'm just gonna steam it. Steaming, not cooking, because I want my food to look greenish. I'm trying to make oil, as in kind of sauce, and put it here and turn it. So right now I'm gonna put oil, my onions and my baka. English name is oil bean seed. So please keep watching so that you will learn this food. It's very healthy and it's so delicious. I'm just gonna be frying these onions till it's kind of a little bit soft. Then I'll put everything together and put water inside here, inside the oil. Then I put it in my corn and the other. So as the onions have fried a little bit, now I'm gonna put this, the okpaka oil bean seed. That's the English name. I'm gonna put it now. And I'm gonna put Maggi no, like 3 scoops. And the yellow pepper here with water. I'm still gonna put more water here and allow it to cook very well before I will put it here. And please don't forget to take off this foil before you start to be turning. And as you guys can see, my green beans is very greenish. I steam it. I didn't put water on it. I just steam it. Even this vegetable, I steam all of them. I didn't cook. I didn't put water. I just steam it. So I'm just gonna put more water here because I'm just gonna allow it to cook very well before I will put it here and turn it. You guys gonna see the outcome of it. So right now, my oil and all that is done. I'm just gonna put it here, this place, to turn it. You guys gonna see the outcome of it. This is the outcome of the Ayaraya. That's our native food. You guys can come and join me. It's healthy and it's delicious. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button and share and like, please.
This food is good. Really good, actually. You guys should come and try this. It's super good, actually. You guys should make it yourself.
Thank you. I love you guys. Mwah.